Okay everyone, so let's meet by coming onto the back of our mats today in a child's pose. Take the toes together, the knees nice and wide, walk the fingertips forwards and rest your forehead down towards your mats. Giving yourself a moment to find stillness, a moment to deepen your breath, a moment to bring yourself into your body. Start to notice how you're feeling today. Let the arms and the upper back relax. Let the hips and the inner thighs relax. And then go ahead and take 3 deep breaths here. 3 of the deepest breaths that you have taken all day long. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And then after your 3rd exhale, go ahead and release yourself out of your child's pose and come on up into your tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. And we'll take a few cat-cows. Inhaling as we look forward, drop the belly, tailbone up. Exhale the chin to the chest, round the spine. Inhaling to roll forwards into cow. Exhale, tuck in the chin, pressing the hands into the mat for your cat. Just rolling through these in time with your own breath. Keeping the breath nice and slow and thinking about bringing as much movement into the spine as you can. Let's take one more full round of breath here, and inhale and an exhale. Meeting back in center with a nice neutral spine, and from here tucking the toes and lifting the hips into a downward facing dog. We can start by pedaling out the feet here, finding some movement in your downward dog. Bending one knee at a time, stretching out the back of one leg and then the other. And then eventually coming back into stillness, lowering your knees back to the floor, coming back into your tabletop. From here, take the left hand into the center of your mat and open the knees nice and wide. As we inhale, we're going to reach the hand all the way up to the sky. As we exhale, we thread the right arm underneath, try to tap the opposite shoulder. Inhale to reach up and open the chest. Exhale, twist and round. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist. Last time here, inhale, reach up. This time as we exhale, thread the needle all the way across the floor. Try to reach the right shoulder, the right ear to the mat. Maybe we open the left fingertips up to the sky. Keep that top shoulder rolling back. Take one more deep breath. And then release the left hand back to the floor and press yourself up to center. This time, right hand comes into the center of the mat and we inhale, take the left fingertips high. Exhale as we twist and tap the opposite shoulder. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach up. Let's take 2 more here. Next time we reach up, we take a big deep breath in. As we exhale, thread the needle all the way along the floor. Try to release the left shoulder, the left ear to the mat. Maybe reach the right fingertips up to the sky. Take one more breath here. And then right hand back to the floor and bring yourself all the way back into your tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. We're going to go for another downward dog. So spread the fingers wide and lift the hips high. Come into your downward facing dog. Maybe this time we find stillness in our downward dog. We might start to straighten out through the knees. We might focus on reaching the heels down towards the mat. Take one more big deep inhale and a full exhale. And then bend both knees deeply, look forwards, and step or walk all the way up to the top of your mat. Meet me in a forward fold. Knees are deeply bent. Take hold of opposite elbows and find a little sway side to side. Giving the spine a moment to decompress here, the weight of the head, pulling the spine long. Releasing any tension or any tightness. And then eventually come back to center. Let go of your elbows and roll slowly up, coming all the way into standing. Nice, so we meet here at the top of our mats. Feet are hip distance apart, the shoulders are back and down, palms of the hands open forwards. Stand up tall through the back, crown of the head reaching up high. And as we inhale, we're going to take both hands all the way up to the sky, look up. As we exhale, open the arms wide, bend the knees and take a big forward fold. As we inhale, straighten the legs, find a halfway lift. Hands come somewhere along the fronts of the legs. As we exhale, bend the knees, forward folds. As we inhale, press into the soles of the feet and reach the hands all the way back up to the sky, palms together at the top. Exhale, hands to heart center. And again, take a big inhale to reach the hands up, look up. Exhale, open the arms, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, straighten the legs, look forwards, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, press into the feet, reach all the way up to the top. And exhale, hands, heart center. Again, take a big inhale, reach it up, look up. Exhale, bend the knees, find a forward fold. Inhale, straighten the legs, find a halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees. This time we plant the hands and step it back into your plank. High plank here, wrists under the shoulders, abdominals are engaged. Take a big inhale as we roll our weight slightly forwards. Exhale as we lower all the way down to the belly. Untuck the toes, keep the hands where they are, and inhale as we roll the shoulders back and lift up into your cobra. Take a full deep breath here. Lengthening out the spine. On your next exhale, lower the chest back to the floor, tuck the toes under, and we're going to come back into our downward facing dog. So come to the soles of the feet, palms of the hands pressing into the floor, downward dog. Look forwards in between the hands, take a nice deep bend through the knees, and step or hop to the top of your mat into your forward folds. Inhale to stand up and reach the hands up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. Stop here, close the eyes, take a deep breath in and a full breath out. And just take this quick little moment of stillness to connect with your body. Notice how you're feeling. Notice if there's any areas of tension or tightness, anywhere that you want to work or stretch today. Take one more breath here. And then we can open back up through the eyes and let's continue to flow. Inhale as we reach up and look up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward folds. Inhale, straighten the knees, look forwards, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank. Inhale here and exhale, lower to the belly. Untuck the toes. Inhale, press into the hands, roll the shoulders open as we lift the chest high. Take a full breath here. On your next exhale, slowly lower back to the mat. Tuck the toes under, return to your downward facing dog. Take a big inhale and a full exhale. Bend the knees, look forward, step or hop to the top of your mat into a forward fold. Inhale, reach both hands up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Let's change it up a little bit this time. Inhale as we reach up and look up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, look forwards, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to downward facing dog. Inhale, reach the right leg up to the sky, and exhale, step forwards into your high lunge. We sweep the fingertips up to the sky, get nice and long through the spine. Hold it here. Sinking the hips down, inviting that nice deep stretch in through your left hip. Maybe we reach the hands behind the low back, interlink the fingers and roll the shoulders back, look up. Either stay here, or for a bigger stretch, we can hinge forwards. Right shoulder comes towards the right knee, take your knuckles back or up to the sky. One big breath. And then press yourself all the way back up, reach the fingertips back, high lunge, take a big breath in. Exhale, plant the hands, step the right foot back into your high plank. Big breath in, exhale, lower halfway, and inhale to your upward facing dog. Keep the knees and the thighs lifted, shoulders rolling back, the chest is open. Big breath in. Exhale, roll over the toes, downward facing dog. As we inhale, lift the left toes up to the sky. Exhale to step the foot forwards in between the hands and rise up into your high lunge. Spine is long, fingertips reaching up. Sit nice and low into the hips. Maybe we take the hands behind the back, interlink the fingers, roll the shoulders open as we look up to the sky. Your choice to stay here, or maybe hinge forwards, shoulder towards the knee, take the knuckles back or up to the sky. Take a big breath here. And then press yourself slowly back up, release the fingertips up to the sky, high lunge. Inhale. Exhale, plant the hands back to the floor, step the left foot back, high plank. Inhale here, exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, press the hands, upward facing dog. Exhale, roll over the toes, downward facing dog. Look up in between the hands, take a deep bend through the knees, and step or hop to the top of your mat. Plant the feet. Inhale, reach the hands up to the sky, and exhale, hands heart center. Let's bring it down to the mat this time. Inhale as we reach up. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale, straighten the legs, find a halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step back into your child's pose, knees to the floor. Maybe the knees are wide, but we walk the fingers forwards. We release the forehead to the mat. Slow down your breathing right here. Take a few deep breaths in and full breaths out through the nose or through the mouth. And then after your next full exhale, we can release by walking the hands all the way back towards the knees. We can bring the knees together. And we'll inhale here to take the hands up to the sky. As we exhale, plant the right hand and reach the left fingertips towards the side of the room. Take a few deep breaths here, maybe take the gaze up to the sky. Continue to deepen your breath, slow it down. And then inhale all the way up to the top. Exhale, plant the left hand, reach the right fingertips over. Maybe take the gaze up to the sky. Slow breaths into the right hand side of your waist. And then all the way up through center, drop the hands, tuck the chin into the chest, and just take a moment here to find a few little half neck circles, just rocking one ear to one shoulder, and then back through center and across to the other side. If it works to take some full circles, maybe take the head all the way back and around. And if we're taking full big circles, not forgetting to switch directions at some point and take a few the other way. And then eventually bringing ourselves all the way back to center. Bring the hands up one final time, and then exhale your hands to yourself, to your heart. And namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like this little flow, please give it a like. If you would like to see more like this, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.